So now I'm just going to start adding the textures at the bottom of the head of the mushroom. Okay, so I have some modeling paste with me. You could use modeling chocolate as well. So you could make your own modeling chocolate and do. And if you have access to modeling paste, then you could just avoid making a modeling chocolate for yourself, and you could just use that as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit at a time. Just going to leave it here and then keep picking up as I need. I'm just going to knead this and make like sausages. Okay, so one side of the sausage is like narrow, okay, and the other side is a bit broad. Okay, I'm just going to start placing this on the underside. So the broader will be on the the outer edge, and then the narrow is going to be facing inside. You just need to see through from the bottom. I'm just going to remove this excess. We want it kind of narrow as it goes closer to the stem. It's okay, a bit of ganache is going to be there because we are going to cover that entire thing with fondant. So something like this. It's like a longer teardrop shape. So on the outside it's going to start looking like this. So before putting on the fondant, you should just have all the bulks, like any ups and downs, all that should be already done. We don't want to do this on the fondant because you don't want to look like each are like different parts. We put this, create the bulk, after which we drape it on fondant, but make sure all these dents, the ups and downs are all seen even after the fondant is draped. You don't want to lose out on the detailing. I'm just going to even it out and then fill the gaps. So it looks like they are all going from the outside to the inside throughout. So bottom is all covered up. So just want to check if have them all here at this part. I just want them all to be merged well. I will be using Dresden tool after I have draped. So I'm just filling up the gap here, so it doesn't show like there is a teardrop or a sausage starting right below where the ganache is. So the gap here, I'm just trying to merge it here. And right here on the inside, I just want to press it down so this looks deep inside. You don't want it to be flat. And this bulk is added here, so it looks like it just curves and then it goes in. And that is why we specifically doing that. So we don't want it pretty flat. So this inside, you just need to kind of press here well all through. And so that looks pretty lower than this one. Okay. So now this looks good. So we have the texture built on the underside for the head of the mushroom. Now I'll catch you up again in the next lesson where I will be working on draping this entire thing with fondant.